Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make a video as to how some manufacturers are pricing parts so ridiculously high so that we don't fix our equipment. What I've got here is a Honda EU 2000i, one of these suitcase type inverter generator. Now I rarely make videos on this subject, but I just thought today I gotta let my viewers know why things sometimes are not worth fixing. It's not because of the repair shops, it's because of the manufacturer. This has nothing to do with tariffs here, by the way, because I priced out a part for this machine here last week before the tariffs. I just can't imagine how much more it will be after the tariffs, by the way. Now the part that I'm talking about here on this machine is the carburetor. The owner of this machine let it sit for years with some cheap gas, and of course the carburetor is damaged. For liability purposes, I only use OEM Honda carburetors on these generators, by the way. If I'm fixing it for myself, I might try an aftermarket, but I don't chance it with my customers. Now the carburetor for this machine, guys, you won't believe it. Well, Canadians will believe it, and maybe Europeans. But this carburetor, when I called the Honda dealer for it, it is $429 plus 13% tax. Now I've got my calculator here. $429 plus 13% tax comes to $484.77. Customer said no, he doesn't want to do it. However, this carburetor may have been worth buying to put in this machine because I believe this machine here, this generator, is at least $2,000 from the Honda dealer. So for 25%, you can fix it. A little bit of labor, not much, by the way. But again, I just want to talk about this. And also, if some of my customers are watching, this is the reason why sometimes I call you with a high estimate, is because I'm at the mercy of the parts as well. I don't make the prices for the parts of your equipment that I'm fixing. Anyway, $429 plus tax, guys, just about $500. Isn't that crazy? You know, if these companies were more conscious about the environment like they all say they are, they would make this carburetor affordable so that the guy does not go buy another machine. Anyway, just a thought. I don't want to get political here, but yeah, it's crazy. $429 plus tax, guys. Let me know what you think. Also, if you have another ridiculously priced part that you've come across in small engine repair, please comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.